Okay, so number 10, I noticed that it is in standard form, so I can't just put it in the calculator because it's not y equals. I would have to solve it for y first. If I wanted to put it in the calculator, that would be like what I did on number 8. But for me personally, I think that's more work than it's worth. I like to do elimination when they're both in that form. So what I'm going to do on number 10 here is I'm going to try to eliminate my x's, but they're both positive, so they don't eliminate yes. I can't just cross them out. So I know to get that positive 3 to cross out, I need a negative 3. So I want a negative 3, and what I have that I don't want is a positive 3. So I take what I want by what I don't want and divide it, and I'm going to get negative 1. So I know I need to multiply by negative 1. And I want to multiply the one that has a positive 3 in it. They both have positive 3, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to multiply the bottom one by negative 1. Okay. So then the top one, I'm writing it just exactly like it is. And the bottom one, I'm multiplying. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 7y is positive 7y. And negative 1 times 18 is negative 18. So then I'm going to add my x's, which that makes them cross off because 3x plus negative 3x is 0. Negative 1 plus 7y is 6y. And negative 18 plus negative 18 is negative 36. Divide both sides by 6. And I'm going to get y equals negative 6. So now that I know that y is negative 6, I need to put it in one of the equations. It doesn't matter which. I'm going to use this top one right here. 3, well, I'm not going to replace x because this is not an x, so I'm going to leave this as x. Minus, now I'm going to replace y, negative 6. But I have the minus here and I have negative 6 here, so I have to do it like that. Equals negative 18. So what is it that's being multiplied there? It's a negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 6 is a positive 6. So I've got 3x plus 6 equals negative 18. I'm going to minus 6 from both sides. And I'm going to get 3x equals 24. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And I'm going to get x equals 8. So I have 8 comma negative 6.